Have you ever heard of a parrot that can't fly? Nope, not a joke. It's totally real. Meet the kakapo, New Zealand's fluffiest, weirdest bird. He doesn't like flying, he's more of a floor guy. This chunky parrot lives like a ghost, only comes out at night, waddles through forests, and hides in the mountains to avoid predators. He's adorable, makes the funniest sounds, and sadly, he's critically endangered. Scientific name, Strigops hebrobtilis. But the kakapo isn't just a heavy parrot. He's a living proof of survival and adaptation. Imagine this, a flightless bird living in darkness, using his smell to communicate. Unfortunately, there are only a few dozen left in the whole world. New Zealand is doing everything to protect him. He's a national treasure and one of the weirdest birds on the planet. Follow us on ghriba.tv for more wild discoveries and creatures you'll never believe exist.